discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
David, what's in here, man?
A guy, they call me Ace with Team Wicked Tunes. Just a little 06 Tahoe. We got all crescendo amps. We got 2 4Ks, wired down with 2K.
Okay.
3 custom built 18 Sundown ZB5s.
Nice.
Dual off beta setup. Tuned around like 28 hertz.
Who built this?
Me and my team, Team Wicked Tunes.
Wicked Tunes, you did a good job. And man, you've done a lot of roof work. I'm sure you're trying to stop that flex.
The whole car, man.
The whole car? Yeah,
all, man.
the whole car. So if you do, what's your tuning, SPL, box specs?
I'm tuned at 28 hertz. As far as all the specs and stuff, my boy John did everything.
Okay.
I sort of came there, he's like, it's ready.
Yeah, man, sweet. I like it.
Yes, sir. Appreciate
Looks
it.
really good. Did you ever do any burp tests just to know your meter score yet?
It's my first time out.
First time out? Okay. Are you happy with it?
I'm good now. I think I want to do like 8 total.
Yeah.
And do a roll in here, though.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay. All right. Looks good, man.
No matter, you ain't got to be the loudest. Look good.
Oh, it looks good, man.
All on this.
Oh yeah. That thing is brutal windy for the no wall. You did a really good job, man. And you're definitely, everything's like breaking apart. I'm surprised you haven't torn your back hatch yet. Yeah, yes sir. What was your name? Okay, Jacob Lyle on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everything. I really like the box, the layout, everything's clean and good voltage. Oh yeah, yes sir, that's right.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.